The DSWD is preparing additional 35,000 boxes of family food packs to residents of Naga City who were affected by severe tropical storm Christine. DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian said this is on the top of the 5,000 family food packs that were previously distributed to affected families. Gatchalian added that he is waiting for the official list of severely affected families before starting to distribute cash assistance. The department is also not concerned with the growing number of reported affected families. The SWD said they can get more relief supplies from their warehouses in Cebu to give to families in Naga and other affected areas.
Okay. Ang problema nga sinasabi ni PBBM, no, maraming ayuda, maraming mga relief packs or relief goods yung pwedeng ipamigay dito sa affected families. Ang problema is accessibility, no. Dahil marami pa ring areas ngayon ang hindi madaanan dahil nga dun sa nangyaring bagyo ni Christine, 'di ba? Maraming baha, maraming mga nagtumbahan na poste, bridges na nag-collapse. So, yun yung nagiging problema ngayon ng government to reach out to the families affected nga by this typhoon. Yung pagbibigay sa kanila.
Yan. Pero dapat kasi moving forward, di ba, at the end of the day, kailangan pag-usapan na talaga natin ang proper zoning of residents. Kasi if you're properly zoned, hindi naman maiiwasan ng calamity to the areas you live in, but ma-minimize mo yung effect it has on people and infrastructure, di ba? Why do we continue to build houses or allow houses to be built on mountain slopes? Bakit tayo nagbi-build sa lower valley areas na alam naman natin pag lower valley doon bumabagsak ang mga tubig at saka yung
soil erosion, landslide.
Di ba? Meron pa nga mga iba dati, muntik na sa may Rizal, muntik na totoo?
Hindi totoo na muntik na...
Hindi, watershed. Yes. Sinisira nila yung watershed.
Hindi, ang problema kasi nga, yung mga kababayan natin na pinapaalis doon sa mga danger zones ay bumabalik. Yung mga local government officials naman, pinababayaan lalo na pag-eleksyon kasi ayaw nila mawalan ng boto.
Let me re-clarify that. Hindi sila bumabalik, pinababalik sila.
Minsan bumabalik.
Because ito, meron reports, kunyari, from Bulacan ka, move sila sa QC, not QC, some other area, tapos magre-registro sila doon for the elections, tapos back to normal ulit.